Parents, this video is for you. If you know your parent, your sister, your brother, your mother, your aunt, this video is for you. You guys, I need you to start, or I request you to start a YouTube channel for your kids. When I'm talking about the kids, kids can be from 0 years up to infinity. As long as you're under, I can say 18, you're a kid, you are a child. So please, let's start YouTube channels for these kids. You're going to tell me, Christine, how do we do them? One, in this video, I'll show you that it is very essential for your child to have a YouTube channel in this era. Your sister, your daughter, your nephew, please, I want you to take serious this video. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady who said that I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So this is a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady that decided to say, let me share what almost the minority, the few people, what they're using to make a living that has even extended to be like worldwide, nationwide, to be something that is now ranked highly as far as providing income and making money is concerned. Come to think about it, your child is watching a TV. Your child has a skill from the time they are growing. There's something they are doing that at home. You are buying things for that child. That child, their things is talking to you, mommy or daddy, I want to be this in future. There are those phrases that children always have. Why not document them for them instead of taking photo and putting on platforms that won't pay, platform that will not make a brand? Now, you guys, first of all, you have to know that if you open a YouTube channel for your child, there are things that you'll benefit in future, or even as long as they are monetized. If the child is under 13 years, of course, that child has to be under a parental care. So, like the comments will be muted, and even AdSense might not be accessed at that moment. But reach here, if you were truly focused to make that child have a YouTube channel, reach here, I'll tell you a secret. And just write it in the comment section that you want your child to have a YouTube channel. These children, as they grow, they even don't know that there's making money on YouTube. If I knew, if my parents were like exposed and it was that time, or like the time right now, and they made for me have my YouTube channel, it means there are some things that they would not have faced, maybe like financial constraints as I grow up. Now, this is what I'm saying. If you start right now, irrespective of how old is your child, you make for them a channel. Whatever they do, you can have rights for yourself, by the way. Have rights, let them do anything they are doing, even if they film themselves, if they can. If they can't film themselves, make someone that on their guidance to be with them. Let them, you film them, and be the one to record, be the one to upload for them. When you upload for them, any activity that was on that video, you can handle it yourself. It will be very easy for them to reach 1,000 subscribers, to reach 4,000 watch hours, and at the end of it, they will start earning money. If it is still under parental guidance, yes, they will earn other things apart from AdSense. AdSense, they will not access it until they're above 13. But suppose your child is above 13, imagine, or you start it when the child is 10 years. By the time the child is 15, 16, 17, 18 years, that child is getting her school fees. That child is getting like all her necessities from YouTube under your guidance. Now you're going to say, okay, it's not right. But do you know the trend that is moving on now? If you go to the first world countries like other countries apart from my third world countries like Uganda, Kenya, it is okay. A child of 9 years, a child of 3 years is handling a smartphone. Yes, they are guiding that child. However, he's doing activities on it. Now let's go to Africa. Africa, kids are accessing smartphones whether you want it or not. Whether when they are with their friends, even when they are at school, when they are at home, they are accessing your phone. They are touching it and they are watching it. Now, be a smart parent. If you start right now, it means the child is going to grow knowing that on social media platforms, we can make money. So they'll see it as a business, as venture, not some place where they go to wind up. I sat down and I imagined if, like, for example, my country in Uganda, these children who are getting excited when they get smartphones, when they get Wi-Fi, the way they get excited at a bigger age, at an old age, suppose they accessed these services at a young age, smartphones would not be a problem for them. However, yes, having access to smartphones is very, on another side, is negative because they are going to see the things they are not supposed to see, they are going to see the adult things and many more. But it's your duty as a parent. Because even if you say, no, my child cannot touch a smartphone, you're giving a tablet. But that tablet, still, when they outgrow, they'll get a phone. A girl of 15 years now has a phone. What is she doing with a phone? Let's just, what is she doing with a phone? So when I was researching, I found out the kids are having YouTube channels. They are having Snapchats. Then I'm like, it's high time. If you want your child to pay university bills for herself with your assistance, just start a YouTube channel right now. I told you that even in my next life, I will start a YouTube channel. Because as I record, as I put my face in a camera, that means money. As I show how I bought this cup, how much, what are the benefits, that is money. Now imagine your child starts making money at the age of 9, at the age of 10. That girl, that boy will not be thinking about to go and watch comedy or to go and watch other things, will be fixed about making money when they grow. And when they are young, there are things they watch. Have you asked yourself, who are these people who recorded these things you make them watch, the cartoons and other things? So it is highly recommendable that parents should start YouTube channels for their kids. They can even start like when they are learning letters, they are learning their lessons they should learn from these cartoons, the cartoons they watch every day. Why not? Why do you? I know most, this is very sensitive. Most parents will fear, my child will not be in camera, my child will be this. I cover them with the blood of Jesus. But the children should pay their school fees, should pay their maintenance fee when they are at an old age, using the system that you built for them at the beginning. Now, if you're on YouTube at an old age, after 30 years, and you're there, your kids, other people's kids are on YouTube looking at you of what you're doing. Suppose your child also is there and they're looking at what they are doing, at what she's doing or he's doing. That is money being wasted. So start from today, parents, with your guidance, parental care, open for your children YouTube. You will thank me later. You say, I met a certain African Ugandan lady. She's the one who said that we should start YouTube. However, there are some kids who are not interested. So don't impose on kids when they are growing. After growing, you will know, this child wants to be on social media. This child wants to document animation. This child wants to do this skill. Even educating and food and cooking, if they don't like, then you